Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Little Fella Sports Podcast. And barely 2 or 3 days to go for the Euros to start, and we are here with Sukin and Shreyas to do a small prediction video. Of course, there's 24 teams in the Euros, and it's very interesting to see how the teams will go on to perform. And in general, we want to do a small prediction video ahead of the start of the tournament. So before we proceed with the video, I hope you guys have liked and shared. Like, share, subscribe to the video and channel as well. We've obviously not been able to put content in the last couple of weeks. We've been a little busy, but overall, we look to produce as much content as possible going forward. So do like, share, subscribe to the channel, and I'd like to welcome Shreyas and Sukin onto the show first of all.
Yeah. Hi.
Hello.
Okay, so Shreyas is a France fan also, and Sukin's also a self-proclaimed England fan also. So I'm, of course, a neutral. I'm not too worried about international football. So we're here to predict about the rounds, each of the groups, and we'll try to predict through the knockout rounds also. So we've got the predictor up with us. So we'll start off with Group A. So Group A, we have Switzerland, Turkey, Wales, and Italy. So in terms of the top two, first, Sukin, your quick thoughts on who you think will finish in the top two out of this group?
Yeah, I think Italy and it's very close between Switzerland and Wales. So I will rather go with Switzerland. Yeah, Italy, Switzerland na first rendu.
Correct. I think all of us can agree that it's going to be a combined prediction. So we'll given all our opinions, I think we can agree that Italy will qualify. I think.
Yeah. Italy first.
Italy will qualify. I think because the way they performed under Roberto Mancini in the last few months leading up to the tournament is outstanding. So I think they will qualify. And the remaining three spots is very difficult for me. I don't see too much of a difference between any of those three teams because I think all three are very solid international teams who have got a little bit of star quality. I find it very difficult to predict who will end up finishing second and third. So, Shreyas, any thoughts on who you think will finish second and third?
I think second will be Turkey, third will be Switzerland, and fourth will be Wales.
Even I actually tend to think that Turkey actually will finish second. I feel Wales will come third. So for me, it's Turkey, Wales, and Switzerland.
Okay, so Turkey 2-1 nala.
Yeah, we'll put Turkey as second.
Turkey.
For me,
third
Wales have that star quality, a little bit of star quality. Now, I think Wales can finish third ahead of Switzerland. Switzerland also a decent international team. I think they play decently as a team, but I think Wales just that little bit of star quality. Now, I think they'll pip Switzerland to that third position. Of course.
Sukin, what do you think?
இல்ல அதான் நான் முன்னாடியே சொல்லிட்டேனே, நான் சுவிட்சர்லாந்து தான் செகண்ட் வரும்னு சொன்னேன், வேல்ஸ் அப்புறம் அதுக்கு பார்த்தா டர்க்கின்னு. ஸோ ஓகே,
இப்போ மெஜாரிட்டி போனோம்னா Shreyas, you're the defining. For me, Wales comes third. For you?
Yeah, for me, Switzerland comes third.
Yeah, okay, even for me, Switzerland comes third. Yeah.
So we'll go with Switzerland as third and Wales as fourth. So we'll obviously try to maintain a majority here. So now going on to Group B, Belgium, you've got Russia, you've got Denmark, and you've got Finland. I think
Belgium straightforward.
Straightforward pick, I think, is Belgium. And, I think unfortunately Finland is also nailed on to finish fourth in this group. Unfortunately,
it's
just not the top. Fair. So second and third, a little bit of a tussle between Denmark and Russia. I think Denmark for me.
Even I think Denmark. Denmark for me too. Yeah.
Okay, fair enough.
I think this group is pretty straightforward. I think Belgium have just too much quality. But,
Netherlands here. Netherlands first.
I think again here Netherlands. I think I don't think the match is very good, but I think they just have so much more quality compared to Austria, Macedonia, not Macedonia.
Ukraine second.
Ukraine second. We'll come back to that. I think we can agree that Macedonia, unfortunately, will end up being.
No, I think Macedonia. I will put third. I think they are now ஒரு டார்க் ஹார்ஸ் நான் சொல்றேன். ஏன்னா நான் யாரோ பேசிட்டு இருக்கிறப்பெல்லாம் சொன்னாங்க ஏதோ 4 கோல்லாம் போட்டாங்க யாரு கூட அப்படின்னு. ஸோ அது ஓகே டீசெண்டாக பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஐ திங்க் தேர்டு நான் சொல்கிறேன்.
Shreyas, your thoughts on who could finish
I think Macedonia is set to finish fourth again. சொல்லலாம் தேர்ட்னு. சரி, ஓகே, ப்ரெடிக்ஷனுக்காக சுக்கின்காக நான் தேர்ட்னு சொல்றேன்.
சரி, எனக்கு Austria have a little bit of quality compared to Ukraine. I think Austria a little bit more quality compared to Ukraine. So adhanal I think Austria will pip Ukraine to the second spot. For me it's Ukraine third, Macedonia fourth. But for me Austria
Ukraine are going to finish second for me, as Sukin told.
There is no way for me Austria finish bottom. So at least can we switch Macedonia and Austria here?
இல்ல நம்ம குரூப் ஸ்டேஜ் முடிஞ்ச அப்புறம் இத பார்க்கலாம் இது எப்படி வொர்க் அவுட் ஆகுது.
ஆஸ்திரியாலாம் அவ்வளவு
நார்த் மேசிடோனியா ஒரு அப்செட் போடுவாங்க நான் நினைக்கிறேன். அது உக்ரைன் அப்செட் பண்ண போறாங்களா நெதர்லாண்ட்ஸ் அப்செட் பண்ண போறாங்களான்னு தெரியல.
Okay,
I
going
mean,
on to Group B.
இது பார்க்க it will be a bit weird, but it's a prediction, you know. Yeah,
ஆஸ்திரியா எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு யார் இருக்கா அவனுக்கு அலாபா அப்புறம் வந்து
they don't score enough goals, I think.
எனக்கு
Yeah.
They
தெரியல
don't.
அவங்க என்ன அவ்வளோ இதெல்லாம் எனக்கு தெரியல யா
I mean, you support England, and I don't think England was that convincing. They've got the likes of Sabitzer also. It's not a very bad team, as you say, claim it to be.
Okay.
But anyway,
Yeah.
going on to England's group, you've got obviously an England fan in the house. So
யா இங்கிலாந்து
இது
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
வந்து I don't think. I mean, maybe I will agree, but I don't think it's straight. I think Czech Republic, unfortunately, fourth here. I think.
யா
I don't
Yeah,
think
fair.
they're just that good enough.
அண்ட் ஸ்காட்லாந்து தேர்ட் கன்ஃபார்ம்
Yeah, I think Scotland.
No way they are
I think
finishing above
இதுல வந்து,
Croatia
I think England, Croatia, I think will finish in the top two. I don't think there's a big question mark over that.
Yep.
It's just about who will finish top.
Yep.
Shreyas, you're putting England. Okay.
Yeah, I'm putting England
The,
for
I
the first
think
place.
majority wins here. I think England just have that little bit of more quality compared to Croatia.
Yeah.
And of course, it's England's golden generation, right? So you have to say England will finish top. The next group is an interesting group. I think fourth to
Spain
be
for
is,
me. Yeah,
match seems.
first.
I'm not sure of Spain's quality, honestly. I think we can put Slovakia as fourth. Unfortunately, I think they will finish bottom of.
ஸ்பெயின் போர்ச்சுகல் மேட்ச் பார்த்தோம் ஸோ போர்ச்சுகல் என்ன அவ்வளோ சொல்றாங்க பட் அந்த மேட்ச்ல ஸ்பெயின் தான் செமையா ஆடினாங்க ஃபுல்லா மொராட்டா இல்லைன்னா அங்கே 3-4 கோல் போயிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் வேற யாராவது ஆடி இருந்தா அந்த மாதிரி ஆடினாங்க
Poland,
ஸ்பெயின் ஸோ ஐ திங்க்
Sweden. Who do you think
Spain
finishes
first.
second?
I think
Second,
I
for
think
me Sweden for me.
Yeah. Even I think
even
Sweden.
I think Sweden. I think Sweden
Yeah.
are very. They don't score a lot of goals
Yeah.
and are very dogged team. They play a lot of these nil-nils out. So yeah, I think Sweden
Yeah.
for me ahead of.
Okay.
Group
Now
F is
it's a
obviously
tough
the
group.
group of death.
Yeah.
You've got three big hitters in Portugal, France, and Germany in this group, and you've
Okay.
got. I think first we
Wait
can
a
put
second.
Hungary as fourth.
Yeah.
Unfortunately
can,
for them,
Yeah. Hungary we can.
Unfortunately-
put
Hungary
this.
fourth.
It's not unfortunate. No, they just
It's their luck.
Hungary won't finish. Won't qualify if they put in any group. That's what I
நான்
feel.
என்ன எக்ஸாக்ட்லி என்ன குரூப்ல போட்டாலும் ஐ திங்க் தேர்ட் ஆர் ஃபோர்த்தா வருவாங்க ஸோ இட்ஸ் யா
I know, but Ippo now they've almost got zero.
yeah,
They can't
yeah.
say.
Yeah.
So now it's one of the big teams that are going to miss out on automatic qualification here. So I think France are by far the favorites for me. So I think
Yep. France
whether they
first.
finish top or not, I think they will finish in the top two. So I think we can
Okay.
first
Okay.
put in France.
Predict who will finish first.
France.
Then we can see.
You can't
Okay.
look past France. I think
Yeah.
France has to be first.
Right.
For me, Germany are not that good. I think under Joachim Löw, they've become very stale. I don't think they score enough goals. I don't think they're defensively good enough. I think against the other day, they struggle against Denmark, who are a decent team. But if Germany are supposed to compete and fight for getting into semi-finals and finals of the Euros, I don't think they're good enough. And I think Portugal have the ability to play as a team. So Adanala, and they've got obviously undeniable star quality. So I think Portugal second for me. What do you guys think?
Sukin, what about you?
Germany second for me.
Okay. So, yeah, even I'll go with Anirudh. Portugal, it's hard to look past. For me personally, I think Portugal will top
One
this
of the-
group and France will come second. But
But I won't be surprised. I think Portugal are a
Yeah.
very underrated team. I think they're a very underrated
I
team.
think
But
they will be
yeah,
third. பாப்போம் நீங்க என்ன சொல்றீங்கங்கறத பாப்போம்.
Okay,
Yeah,
now we
okay,
have to
let's
pick
see.
out of the six third place teams. We have to pick four. One very interesting. I know everyone will go and click Germany first, but important thing is how this is determined is by the most points. So there is
Yeah.
no guarantee that Germany will actually have more points.
Yeah,
compared to the other team because
agree.
of how difficult their group is. I don't think it's.
Mm,
I mean, for now, let's go with Germany as one of the four teams to qualify. But I don't think it's
But I
that
think-
straightforward.
இல்ல 4 டீம் தானே அவுட் ஆஃப் 6 யூ செலக்ட் only
You have
4 ல
finished
சோ
four. ஆமா correct.
Yeah, I
நான்
think-
என்ன சொல்றேன்னா
yeah.
because I think it'll be a low scoring group.
yeah it will be very close yeah
It'll be very
Yeah.
close. For sake of quality, I think.
பட் ஐ திங்க்
Germany-
அந்த ஃபோர்த்தா வந்து அட்லீஸ்ட் ஜெர்மனி இருப்பாங்க நான் சொல்றேன் அட்லீஸ்ட்
அதனால
ஏதாவது ஒரு
just
வின்
a
எடுத்துட்டு
little bit-
இன்னொரு இருப்பாங்க நான்
yeah, I think ஒரு draw கிடைச்சிரும் நான் நினைக்கிறேன் உங்களுக்கு போர்ச்சுகல் பிரான்ஸ் கூட.
போர்ச்சுகலோ பிரான்ஸோ
And,
ஏதோ ஒன்னு டிரா
yeah, and of course Hungary கூட
you
they'll
expect them
surely
to win,
win.
correct.
Yeah.
So Germany
Yeah,
ஒன்னு
so-
போட்டுக்கலாம். I think Poland also. I think Poland for me will make it. I think
Yep.
they've got that little bit of quality.
yeah
Same
And
with
Russia.
Switzerland also. I think
same with
Switzerland,
Russia also
I think
Russia
Russia will
is-
qualify, yeah.
yeah
or
yeah.
Scotland.
For me it's Russia.
I think Scotland have a decent group.
See,
get a few
I'll
points.
tell you why. So the thing is only guaranteed
beat
win
Czech.
வந்து உங்களுக்கு
Czech.
செக் மட்டும் தான்.
And
மத்தது
England, Scotland is a derby.
இங்கிலாந்துலாம்
It's a
derby,
derby.
it'll be there, but still you expect this thing to win. எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு ரஷ்யா டென்மார்க்கே கொஞ்சம் டைட்டா தான் இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அண்ட்
Correct.
ஃபின்லாண்ட்
I
கூட
agree.
ஆப்வியஸா ரஷ்யா வில் வின். ஸோ
ஆப்வியஸ்
enough.
ரெண்டு
சொல்ல
ரெண்டு
முடியாது.
பேருக்கும் ஓரளவுக்கு ஈக்குவல் சான்சஸ் தான் நீ சொல்ற மாதிரி. பட்
So we'll go with Russia. Okay, I mean majority wins here, so we'll go with Russia. Not a problem. So now going on to the actual knockouts, round of 16 Poland first. So
Okay.
Belgium, Poland. I mean it has to be Belgium for me. I think they just
Yep.
got that extra quality. So yeah, Belgium. for
Italy,
me.
Ukraine tight
Italy,
now, but I
Ukraine,
think Italy now.
tight. Yeah, Italy also not a very high scoring team.
Yep, yep.
They are solid defensively, of course, but yeah, I think
But
Italy
they're
have
really
that little
good,
bit
I
of
mean,
quality.
we have the
course.
players quality, so I expect Italy
Correct.
to go.
Now to the
Yeah.
other round of 16, France, Switzerland. I mean,
France.
just too much quality. Croatia, Sweden, very close. And Croatia kind of midfield quality. I am going to pick with Croatia, and they have the experience of going further in tournaments. So I'll go with Croatia as
Fair.
Sukin, what about you?
beating Sweden.
Yeah, Croatia for me too.
Okay.
Croatia for me. Spain, Russia. I mean, Spain. Remember that Russia knocked out Spain in the 2018 World Cup. So I won't. I mean, this. I don't think it'll.
Penaltiesல போய்
Yes,
போச்சு.
yes, correct. I don't think
Yeah,
it'll
but
again. So
I think
you
Spain
have
are
to
good,
go
yeah.
Spain.
Yeah.
And I don't think it's coming home. You can send England back home for me here. I think it's very straightforward. I expect.
I
It's a tough
expect
one
England
for
to
me.
win. I expect England to win the cup, so I will say England for everything.
For me, it's Portugal. I don't see England beating
Yeah.
Portugal at all.
Yeah, I'm going with England. Let's see. I mean, they'll eventually get knocked out. They won't win, but I think they're good enough to
Beat
sneak out
Portugal.
from the Portugal. I mean, you can't say that, but still, I expect England to win. And there's also this Champions curse, so I believe in
Maybe.
that quite a lot. So yeah, and
Netherlands, Germany.
I don't
this
think it's
is a
easy.
tough
Very
match, yeah.
difficult to predict.
Very difficult to say, but I will go with Netherlands.
Yeah, even I'll go with Netherlands. We'll see. Yeah.
Fair enough. Then Netherlands.
What do you want, Anil? I'm just.
I
Of
can't
course, it
make
doesn't
I
matter,
can't
but-
make out. I can't make out. It's very tough.
Okay, yeah.
Netherlands. Turkey, Denmark. I think Turkey. Are
Yeah,
a
even I
underrated
think-
team. I'll go. With
I will go with Turkey too. Yeah.
I'll go with Denmark, but anyway, since both of you
now going to the
wanted
quarters.
Turkey.
It's
Belgium,
very
Italy,
tough here.
superb game, but I think on the Lukaku, Hazard, De Bruyne, that's going
Hazard
to
who
make a
hasn't
difference.
played for 1 year.
I know, but he's still.
Yeah, I think
back.
Italy will qualify. For
For me,
me.
it's Belgium. I think Belgium will qualify.
Yeah,
Sukin, what
it's
about
very
you?
tight. ரொம்ப டைட் தான்.
ஆனா அந்த Lukaku, De Bruyne, I mean.
I
that
think Belgium
world-class
தான். எனக்கு
quality.
Belgium தான்.
Okay.
And the world class qualities, what's that?
France.
France, Croatia, repeat of the World Cup final.
Repeat of the
It
final,
has to be
yeah.
France. Has to be France. I just don't
France.
see. Maybe I don't know if they like going to win the tournament, but at the moment, for now, France for sure to reach the semi-finals. I mean, Spain, England is a different proposition because I think England can definitely beat Spain on the counter. For me, Portugal was my prediction. So if it was Portugal, Spain, I would have definitely still said Portugal. But Spain, England, I'll go with England. You know, I don't think Spain are that good enough. I don't think I think they're in a transition phase, and England have that little bit of quality in the final third. So for me, England beats Spain.
Sukin? England, right?
England.
Okay. And this, I think, Netherlands will qualify. Yeah?
Yeah, I agree. I think you have to say that just that little bit of more quality compared to Turkey. It'll be a close game when it comes to quarter semis. It always is. But yeah.
Yeah, this will be a tough game.
France, it'll be a tough game. Repeat of the World Cup semi-final this time. It was a 1-0 tight game last time itself. I mean, I don't know. Let's, for the sake of, I mean, you guys go first this time. I don't know.
எனக்கும் தெரியல நான் என்ன சொல்றது அப்படின்னு. நான் வந்து
Yeah, just
prediction
because I'm a
அப்படின்றதுக்காக
France fan, I'll just go for France. So
I'll go with
up to you
Belgium
two.
then. I'll go with
Okay,
Belgium.
what about you, Anirudh? You have to decide now.
For me, France, Benzema, Mbappe, Griezmann, Pogba, Kante. Yeah,
Right.
France it is.
France to the final then. And England,
England-
Netherlands.
There is no bloody way England. You can have it on record here. England are not going into the Euros final, so I'm going for Netherlands here.
Yeah, even I'm going for Netherlands here because
England
பாப்பா
are
செமிஸ்
not
வந்ததே
going
வந்து
into the
இதுதான்.
finals.
பட் anyway.
You guys can click
இல்ல
it up
அவங்க
later.
ஃபைனல்ஸ் போறதுக்கும் இங்கிலாந்து நெதர்லாண்ட்ஸை பீட் பண்ணாததுக்கும் டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு சொல்றேன்.
Correct da. They are not
Yeah, I
going to
mean-
beat. For me, did you just see the run they have to go to reach the finals? Portugal, Spain, Netherlands. England have not beaten a big international team since 1966 in a tournament. They have
அதெல்லாம்
to
okay.
create history.
அதெல்லாம்
They have to
ஓகே.
do something they have not
ஆனா
done
வந்து
yet.
நான் ஹாரி கேன் டசன்ட் கேர் அபவுட் ஹிஸ்டரி.
Of course he doesn't, because he's won 0 trophies. Now we'll go to the finals.
எல்லாத்துக்கும் there's a first, but anyway, I don't think this will be the first. France and Netherlands. I'll go with France obviously, and for you have to decide.
Finals எனக்கு ரொம்ப மிஸ்மேட்சா இருக்கு. France just have too much quality for Netherlands in this case. So I think France are going to retain, win the Euros after missing it out on 2016, and of course they won the World Cup in 2018. So yeah, for me, France.
Yep.
Yeah, for you, Sukin?
France for me too, yeah.
Okay.
I think one common theme is common theme throughout is that France just have too much quality almost in every, and their run is also doesn't seem too complicated. I think they've obviously semis will be tough. But
I don't think
this game will be really tough.
Yeah, Belgium
I think even if Italy come or even if Belgium come, I think the semi-final will be very, very tough. But I think if they get England or Portugal or Spain again, they're surely beating them. My question is only
on that group we put Portugal as second and France as first, and it could easily be switched around, and you could have France play England, and if France plays England, come on, it's going to be a walk through after that. But of course on the side it's slightly more complicated. As you see, we've got potentially Spain, you've got Portugal, you've got semi-finals you've got Netherlands, so it's a very tightly we can predict 2 games are going to be big for sure. நமக்கு Netherlands Germany வருது, Portugal England வருது. So definitely
maybe நம்ம group stage முடிச்சிட்டு நம்ம பண்ணது கரெக்ட்டா அப்படிங்கறது இத வச்சு தெரியும். அதுக்கு அப்புறம் let's see how knockout stages will proceed based on
one overriding theme is throughout is France. நமக்கு என்ன match up போட்டாலும் it's very difficult to look past France. ஏனா அந்த quality and the fact that they won it before, I think that just makes it impossible for us not to choose France in many of the matchups there. But anyway, so that's our prediction. Sukin is very confident as an England fan. I'd love to know where his confidence comes from. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick prediction video from us. So we'll see how it goes. And thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed the show. And of course, you send in your predictions. So who you think will make the semi-finals? Who do you think will end up winning the tournament? A quick word from each of these guys. Who do you think will be the best player of the tournament? Not the top goal scorer or anything, but best player in the tournament. Shreyas first.
Yeah, I think top scorer na easy சொல்லலாம்.
I know.
ஏதாவது group stageல Harry Kane அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். ஏனா against Czech Republic or some other team you expect
to score. சொன்னீங்க குரோஷியால கஷ்டம் அப்புறம்
சரிடா, மீதி 2 டீம் இருக்குல்ல, உனக்கு அதான் சொல்றேன். லாப் சைடெல்லாம் இருந்தா உங்களுக்கு அந்த உனக்கு 3 கோல் போட்டேன்னு வெச்சுக்கோ என் group stageல, most likely you will end up as a top scorer. ஒரு 5 goals வரும் மேக்ஸிமம் டாப் ஸ்கோரர் இருக்கு. ஸோ அதுக்காக தான் சொல்றேன், எந்த டீமுக்கு ஒரு மாதிரி லாப் சைடடா இருக்கோ தே வில் ஹேவ் தி இது. ஐ திங்க் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு லுகாக்கு கூட நல்ல சான்ஸ் இருக்கு டாப் ஸ்கோரராக. ஏன்னா பெல்ஜியம்க்கு
that's why I'm asking, don't tell me the top scorer. Who do you think is potentially the player of the tournament? Very difficult. It's objective.
Okay, நான் ஒன்னு சொல்லுவேன், பட் இட்ஸ் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் இட் வில் பி அகைன் அஜெண்டா அண்ட் பயஸ்டா இருக்கும். போக்பா தான் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு இன்னுமே.
I won't be surprised at all. Sukin,
because he is immense for France. World Cup லயே எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு ரொம்ப he played really well, and yeah, just to trigger Sukin again, I'll say Pogba again. Yeah,
Sukin,
I think if England are winning the cup, if it is coming home, then
it's not coming home, but okay.
coming home to Naripayura oda dai
அப்படினா நான் I'll go with Mason Mount.
Fair enough.
But I mean, it's kind of sad for England too. They have to cross a tough path. First முடிச்சாலுமே they have to face Portugal or second முடிச்சாலுமே they have to face France.
So, yeah, that's why we need someone who has won something in the past year, like a guy like Mason Mount to carry us.
As we saw, if they finish second, they will face one out of Portugal or France likely in the round of 16, illati quarter finals. So first ரெண்டு hardest, you would expect round of 16 to be slightly easier than quarters. அதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் semis finals போனா தான் tough ஆகும். But
எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு செகண்ட் முடிக்கலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
அதான் செகண்ட் முடிச்சா கூட they would face the winner of that group in the
but okay, I mean quarter final தான, round of 16 லயே எலிமினேட் ஆவானா?
So we'll wait and see how it goes. So for me, it's a tough one, but I think France or a game changer. For me, it's got to be Kylian Mbappe. So I think it's because I expect France to do outstandingly well in the tournament. So I'll go with Mbappe. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this prediction video. So please do like, share, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, thank you, guys.